Okay, so this is a true-false exercise after the story. Here we have 5 sentences. We have to decide if the sentences are true or false. So, sentence number 1. Ash wants to make sandwiches. Is it true or false? Number 2. There's some bread in Ash's kitchen. True or false? Number 3. Bo puts coffee on noodles. True or false? Number 4. The children form a team. True or false? Number 5. Bo finds an animal at the back of the garden. True or false? Okay, so now I'll ask you to copy the sentences. Write on a piece of paper number 1, Ash wants to make sandwiches. Number 2, there's some bread in Ash's kitchen. So, please stop the video now. Pause the video. Pause the video now and copy all the sentences on a sheet of paper. Pausa el video, ponelo en pausa. Copia las 5 oraciones. Cuando hayas terminado de copiar las 5 oraciones, fíjate nuevamente en la historia, hace todo lo que tengas que hacer como para decidir si son true, verdaderas, o false, falsas. Y volvé a esta parte porque yo ya te doy las respuestas. Ahora pon en pausa. Bueno, supongo que ya copiaste las oraciones y decidiste si son true o false. Are you ready? Okay, so now I'm going to show the answers. Ash wants to make sandwiches. That is false. There's some bread in Ash's kitchen. That is true. Bo puts coffee on noodles. That is false. The children form a team. That is true. Bo finds an animal at the back of the garden. That is false.